when you start to peel the onion on how our Western system, civilization, really works, what you're really doing is you're peeling the onion that gets closer and closer to individualism. So let me take your question and turn it back on you, Connor, right? Are there some secrets that you have that you've never told your wife?
Sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Why? Why would you keep a secret from the woman who's born 2 children with you, transplanted her life, changed her whole world? Why would you still have some secrets that you keep
I like
from
the
her?
wink. I like the wink there. Well, here's what I'll say. She knows pretty much everything. I would say that the things that I have withheld have either never really come up in conversation. So it's not like I'm actively saying, I don't want you to know these things, because she knows arguably like the most like wild crap about my past and my life. But I would say from a place of coherence and what's the term that I'm looking for? Like maintaining
Status quo.
Yeah, maintaining status quo, I think, is probably the sort of like answer.
So what you just gave me, really, in my world, were 2 different types of secrets. There's a secret of omission.
Yep.
That's the secret that you keep, but you're not trying to keep. It just never comes out, right? Your secret of omission, and then your secret of intent. And your intention is to maintain the status quo. If you explode that concept to a geopolitical level, countries are the exact same way. They have secrets that they keep just because no one's ever thought to ask. And then they have secrets that they keep because they're trying to maintain the current world order, or they have some sort of intention behind that secret. And then there are many other secrets as well, right? There's secrets of deception, there's secrets of disinformation, there's all sorts of other secrets on top of that. But at the end of the day, the reason that countries keep secrets is the same reason that people keep secrets. It's because we feel that the secret has value. And as long as we're the ones that hold the secret, we hold the leverage, we hold the value. As soon as we share that secret with somebody else gets either a portion of the value, possibly they get all of the same value, or even worse, they get exponentially more value because they know the secret. So for the United States, foreign secrets are so critical because we understand by collecting those secrets, we are taking power and value away from our competitors. We are taking value away from our enemies. We are taking value away from our allies who would use that value as leverage to gain an advantage over us. Spying is not something we only do against terrorists and Russia, right? We spy against everybody. President Obama got caught spying against Germany. Israel and the United States go back and forth all the time, spying against each other. France hates us. Spain hates us. Like most of Europe hates us. There's only 5 countries that have any kind of formal pact saying that they will not spy on each other. And that's known as the Five Eyes Pact. Inside the Five Eyes are the United States, Canada, where you came from, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. And even with that pact in place, guess how much any of those 5 countries believe that the other 5 aren't spying on them?
Oh, probably close to 0%, yeah.
Exactly, because you never really know when things are going to change. But when I have a secret that you don't have, I gain some sort of opportunity, some sort of advantage. And when you're the world's only superpower, that's not a throne you're willing to give up easily.
Right.
So you will do whatever you can to get secrets. And trust me, Connor, I have chased some secrets down where I scratch my head and wonder, why the hell are we chasing this secret? Of all secrets, why are we chasing down the opening bid price for rice in Thailand? Of all the secrets to chase down, why are we chasing down whether or not, the 3rd child to, such and such military general has some kind of heart failure or heart condition? Why are we risking American lives and spending millions of dollars to get this secret? I have definitely asked myself that question.
I was going to say maybe I'm the transplant Canadian operative here to spy on you.
It's true.
There
must be at least 2 of you.
I'd be right. Packing maple syrup. I'd probably be a terrible spy.
fresh sun.